Love yours.
It's your girl KeyaraCheyenne. I'm back with another video, and today we're gonna do a Asian market snack review. I've never done nothing like this before.
I haven't either.
Are you done? Okay, so I've never done one of these before. This is my first ever like food review. No, I don't plan on just like creating a channel around it, but I thought this would be a fun thing to view on my channel. So give y'all something other than vlogs to look at. And basically, if you're interested in purchasing from one of those type of stores, or you wanted to see like, you know, my reaction, here you go. I got these from the Asian market in Huntsville, Alabama. So yeah, we're gonna get into it. I'm gonna try the small stuff first, but before we get into this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications, get notified every time I post, and all my social medias will be down below in the description box. Let's get into it. But the sun is like dead in our face. Also, we have a special guest. My friend Nadia is here to try these items with us today. So let's get into it. So the first thing we have are these drinks. One of them is strawberry and the other is blueberry. I'm gonna try to have us try both of them. And y'all, we are outside and I didn't grab my mics, so I apologize if y'all hear cars and stuff like that in the background. Yeah. Okay, interesting. I don't even know how to do this.
Okay.
Oh.
No, you did it right. You break this part. You break that top
and you
part.
put that in there and you press the... Oh, wow.
Like
Let me do this one.
Hold on.
Oh. That is wild.
Here we go, y'all.
I'm gonna try to show them this one then, if I can do it. So basically it's got this and this, and you gotta like puncture it, I guess.
Yeah, break that part right
I got nails on.
There you go. Yeah, push it down.
I don't like this. Hold on, wait. Wait. How in the crap? How did you just do that?
You just gotta push it down, like put your into it. Yep. Gotta push.
Wait. This is torture, y'all. What? Oh wait, you can do this. I don't know how in the world.
Well, you see.
God dang. Oh. So the ball goes in there?
Yeah, the ball go in there.
Okay. I'm gonna try to... Y'all, the ball is in the drink.
Oh, Lord. The blueberry flavor got going on. Ooh, Lord. I'm gonna fell on my leg.
Oh, Lord. It's actually decent, y'all. It need to be a little bit more cold, but
it's decent. We're rating it from
that tastes like medicine. The strawberry tastes like medicine. I don't like that. Or flowers.
flowers.
Yes, flowers, y'all. Petals.
I see what she was trying to say.
Like rose petals.
It does. But
or something.
honestly, I honestly think the red one tastes better than this one. I'm not gonna lie.
Okay, you can have that one. Period. Okay, so we're gonna try the Skittles.
I feel like some.
Oh, y'all, I had a white pack too, but they didn't make it to the video. I'm sorry. Y'all, they gone. So we're gonna try the green ones. Which I'm sure they just taste like regular Skittles. And on the back of the pack, it looks like this. I don't know if y'all can see it.
There's a little flare on there and everything. Just regular.
Regular Skittles, y'all. And they got the reseal on them, so you can just reseal them.
I don't know. I feel like I got more. I don't know.
Twin? I'm just playing. I don't know.
It got like a little bit more flavor in there, I guess.
The next thing and the most common thing that we have in even stores and our regular stores are the high chews. So
those are the tropical ones and like the other ones.
I'm gonna try this one.
Rainbow sherbet.
This is Blue Hawaii. This look good.
Oh, what?
I can't even get out the pack. Hold on. Looks like this. Hold on, I'm gonna wait.
It's struggling with shipping. Ooh. Mama,
No,
you
you good. You good.
Ooh. This is what it look like. It's so slight.
Those are always good though. They're just different flavors. They had different kinds. Like they had different packs. Normally at Walmart you can only find one kind, but they had like 3 or 4 kinds there. It's good. Next thing we have are these. It's Hello Kitty strawberry marshmallow, and they got like strawberry flavored jelly inside.
I'm about that. I like marshmallows like that. Overly.
Have you ever had mochis, however you say it?
Mochis?
Like the mochis?
Yeah. I had the
It's kind of like that, just not cold.
I don't like mochis. Yeah.
Which
Well, I don't know. I had the red bean one.
They're squishy and they're like just little like ball like things.
What kind?
I just ate this, yeah. Hold on, let me try to bite another one. Hold on. Sun down. Alright, so you can kind of see it.
I don't like that.
It tastes like actual jelly. Strawberry flavored jelly.
It's like strawberry jam.
It's strawberry flavored jelly, seriously, with like the marshmallow. So it tastes like jelly and marshmallow. I wouldn't sit here and eat these though. Like they're straight, I guess, but you gotta be an interesting type person to eat that because
Maybe if
I
I was
wouldn't.
younger, I would eat those. I love marshmallows when I was younger. That's
Now we have some Pepero white cookie. Something they look like Pocky sticks, y'all. They're like they were out the Pocky stick section, but they just labeled something else. And look at the directions on the back. They got Japanese. You can't even see it.
With Pepero.
So we're gonna open these.
One thing I love about Asian, Korean, Japanese styles, their snacks, they love putting a lot of love into like their design and stuff like that.
Oh.
They're like so vibrant and like pretty. Like aesthetic pleasing.
Ooh, I know this is gonna be good, baby. Look at this, y'all.
It's #1 brand in Korea. This ain't bad at all.
No.
I give these a 10.
I'll definitely sit here and eat these.
Well, def. I get a pretzel. Pretzel, yep. Chocolate cake.
And this is something I really am not looking forward to trying.
What was that?
But they're gummy candies. They're grape or something like that. I personally don't really like the texture of real grapes. So we just gonna see what's in here. Like, I really don't know. It says muscat gummy candy.
I'm gonna match your shirt.
Product of Japan. Period. Green. Oh, they're packaged up.
Oh.
So they look like this.
That I like.
Yeah, cause it won't even focus, y'all.
I don't know.
But
What is it?
muscat.
Fruity and soft.
So they're like mini, like gummy grapes.
I don't know. Ooh. It's more like grape.
Yeah, bad.
It just tastes like a gummy candy. Like, I feel like it's made with real, like, actual juice.
This is actually good, y'all. It's good. And I didn't even think I was gonna like it at all.
It's good. It's like high chews with a great flavor.
Okay, so next we're gonna try the Kit Kats.
I heard a lot of reviews about those.
I believe these are the mint.
I heard a lot of reviews. I think those are matcha. Yeah, they're mint. But they're matcha. Oh, they have a little in the back. You can make a little airplane on there and everything. Oh, that's hard.
Yo.
That is hard. Okay.
This is
you can write on it too. Oh. Okay.
Oh. Dude, y'all.
Oh, I don't know about this color though.
It look like doo-doo, y'all. It look like doo-doo. I'm matching. The fact that I'm matching them.
It's giving.
Like, it literally matches my,
Shit.
yeah.
With the necklace too.
This does not look good.
It's matcha flavor.
Stop.
It's matcha.
I'm scared now because I don't know what
It's
matcha
matcha.
is. I don't even know what that is. Y'all, it is doo-doo green. So I don't know how I'm going to feel about this. Okay, let's do it.
This is like a regular freaking Kit Kat.
To me,
Oh no.
this tastes like... It tastes like...
Oh.
Y'all, why does it taste like goldfish food? The smell of goldfish food.
The aftertaste. It's the aftertaste.
I don't know if I like this, y'all. And I love Kit Kats. That's one of my favorite candies. I don't know about this.
Here.
I can't finish it, y'all. I don't like the aftertaste. It's nasty.
It's like you're getting a tablespoon of freaking matcha. It's like
It do taste like a drink or something. A tea or something.
It is a tea.
Oh, it tastes just like a
but
tea.
the aftertaste is
I don't like tea, and I'm tasting all tea in my mouth right now. I don't like that.
ugh.
So that's not. It's cute, but I wouldn't eat this. And I love Kit Kats. So let's get into some of these.
I'll give it a
We have baked wheat cakes. This one is maple flavored.
ooh.
They just look like this. They like a little loaf of bread.
Kind of. Ooh, it has like stuffed maple in it. Oh, don't forget about the paper.
Oh,
A little paper in the bag.
y'all.
It's a little fresh little pack.
So yeah,
Oh, it's full of maple.
So I'm gonna like.
Ooh. 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 It smells good.
So you're able to just tear it. It's very soft, y'all. It really is like a sponge. It smells like maple syrup.
Ready?
Look at the bread, y'all. It's got maple in it. This looks and smells good. Maple bread.
Mm-hmm.
It's a wheat cake. It tastes like maple bread.
Folks will eat this for breakfast with their coffee.
Yeah. A good little side dish with something.
It'll be a quick snack, like for breakfast, like in the morning type of thing.
This is not bad at all. I mean, it doesn't have a lot of flavor. Like, you can still taste the maple, but it's not overpowering the bread.
We'll definitely put the bread in. But it's like very like fluffy and like very fluffy.
It's a very satisfying look and texture, y'all. Like, it looks good.
I'm gonna finish it though.
I gave you a big piece.
This one's good though.
That was the maple. Okay, y'all. So we're gonna try the other two flavors. Hold on, 'cause this one.
The light. The light skin.
The sun is giving. Okay.
Ignore the kids and the.
This one is chocolate flavored. As y'all can see, it's got like the chocolate lines on it.
That one might taste good.
I'm gonna try to give you a smaller piece this time.
Ooh, y'all look. Y'all actually good.
Yeah. Hold on.
Yeah, that's perfect. That's why I can tell you.
I'm trying to hurry. All right, let's try it. Tastes like bread and chocolate.
I taste the bread more than the chocolate.
I would just recommend eating this on like the side or something. Like, these are not meant to I mean, it can be a snack if you like bread, but it gotta be ate with something.
I'm not a bread person either.
So
It's like a iffy thing.
and then these drinks, as much as I drink them, I don't know if they just need to be cold again or what, but like, oh, y'all see the ball in it? I don't know. I don't care for them for real. And I like soda.
There's a high.
We're gonna try these next. So it is Swiss roll cake white wheat cakes. It says that it's a product from Japan or of Japan. Yeah, let's get into this. These are definitely lower on calorie in my opinion.
I think that's the lowest one out of all of them. Yeah, that's all of them.
Okay.
Elbow me. Oh, they're individually packaged. Gone.
So they like that.
This might be good.
They do look good though, y'all. Like, it's literally like a sponge. These are so soft. Like, y'all, they are like squishy soft. A sponge soft. Like, it looks like a sponge.
It's the holes that throw me off.
Y'all, like, okay, you ready?
Hold on. Ooh.
A nice little cake.
It's not too sweet. It's like in between, I'll say.
This reminds me of strawberry shortcakes, but without the sweetness. It has no sweetness to it, in my opinion.
It's like the lowest, out of all of them, it's like the lowest calories. You get like 100 and what?
Like, this is a nice little, like, sweet, but it's not sweet. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's got the little cream in there, but it's alright.
I'll say the cream is, you taste the oil. You can taste the oil. I don't know, it's good though.
I'll give it a 7 or 8.
Oh, it's weak.
Yeah.
You going to the gym or something? It'd be like a little snack, I guess. Ain't got that much calories too. It's 180 calories.
Yeah.
80 calories, which is not bad. I don't know.
I just ate the whole thing, y'all.
It's good though. I'll give it like a 9. A 9.
Alright, so the next thing we have are these like honey looking Pringles. I don't even know. It's in its own type of packaging. I really don't know what it's called
fried.
Or nothing.
Not fried.
And it says non-fried, yeah. We're gonna go ahead and open these.
They have a little tear, maybe. Yup, right there.
Oh,
I love how they package things. It's like unique. Good little packaging.
y'all, this is cute.
It's so tiny.
There's 2 packs in here, y'all.
Oh.
This thing hard to get open, y'all. Alright, look at it. It don't really smell like nothing but like a potato chip. These are good.
It's interesting too. So you can taste the honey, but it's like
It's just like chip at the same time.
They're good. I'll give it a 10.
Yeah. These are very eatable.
You feel like it's good.
Yeah, I can taste them. You can get a pack of these.
These are good.
Okay. Yeah, they're not bad. So one of the last things we have is this bag of wafers. They are party wafers, cappuccino flavored. It says the product is from Italy. Wafer cookies with cappuccino flavored cream filling. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I kind of cheated and I had one of these already. They're good. But we're gonna get Nadia. I'm gonna try it again, but we're gonna get Nadia to try it. They're little squares, y'all.
They're like the little bags that you get from Ross and stuff. Cause Ross, they sell those type of wafers, the hazelnut. God damn, the big one. I'm not knowing the one.
And it's definitely, you can definitely taste the coffee flavor too. They're really good. Like, I'll kill this whole bag. Period.
It's good. A 10.
I'll give it a 10 as well because I love wafers.
Caramel crunch.
Don't say
The
that.
caramel crunch, what it tastes like.
Man. So, This is what the back looks like. The side. These. They are Japanese style baked sponge cake, Castella original. I think these had like different flavors. I don't really remember. And then they even got some cute like decoration at the top and the bottom of the thing. This is cute. I love this packaging.
It's aesthetic.
Yeah.
Are the individuals alright?
That's what I'm trying to figure out how to open this a better way. Or I guess bump it. You're gonna have to like put it out like this. Cause
Oh,
interesting.
I had never seen a package.
What is this?
What is
A
it?
fresh pack?
Hold on.
Keep it, don't microwave. Don't eat. Okay.
Okay.
It says don't eat in English. Alright. So this is what it comes in. And they're like individual slices like on the pack. Like they're little like rectangle shapes of cakes.
I'm sorry.
I can cut it out. It's okay.
It smells like poop.
Ooh. Okay.
Ooh.
I'm scared.
Wait, Key, wait. Why the bottom look like? Oh, you.
Y'all, they got paper on.
That's kind of cool though.
We about to eat
It's kind of cool
the
though. Little.
I'm glad you peeped that, cause baby, I was about to eat it.
Okay. I don't like it.
They're very plain.
I don't like it. I don't like it.
The bottom is nasty, y'all. No, taste the top. You're eating the part that's nasty. That's the part that I don't like. Taste the top of it. The bottom tastes like burnt bread.
It's the aftertaste. It tastes like the tea.
You know what?
one.
Give me the bag. Hold on, y'all.
Ugh. It tastes like the tea.
I don't
The
even got an
matcha
extra
Kit
drink. I
Kat.
gotta drink this.
It tastes like the matcha Kit Kat, but like more. This is this thing on shirt. You good? You chilling? You chilling?
Y'all. Oh my gosh.
We should have known from the packaging. We should have known, cause
What was I thinking?
it looked good. Don't get me wrong. From like, but like, then
I don't know what you're supposed to eat. If y'all know the culture and y'all know what these are supposed to be eating with or how they're supposed to be eating, let me know.
Oh, no disrespect towards our culture.
Yeah, no. Like, no
No
disrespect.
disrespect at all. It's like our personal opinions.
On
stuff.
just trying the different foods. And y'all, I believe that is everything on video. They're just like pouring out. Like, what? The drink just like spewed out, y'all.
Ooh.
But
It's a little bubbly.
But that is all the food that we got to try. I really am sad that I didn't grab more. Maybe we can make another like run. I really have an idea to go order one of the boxes, the international food like boxes, and try the different snacks in it. I might do that one day. Let me know down below if y'all want to see another one or another review.
Try ramen.
Yeah.
That ramen.
And y'all, this is my first time, so like, don't judge me for how this review is going. Y'all let me know if I did a good job or what I need to improve on if you would like. But yeah, that's really it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if y'all have any other more questions about any of the items or the place or anything like that, just let me know down below.
No strawberry juice. So no juice.
No juice. Okay.
And it's 80 calories. Okay.
And honestly, a lot of these products say that they're from Japan. So yeah, it came from an Asian store and it says the items are from Japan. The only thing that I saw different was this one that said from Italy. But anyway, if y'all have any more questions, just let us know down below. And that will conclude the video. And until next time, peace.